And the next topic is application specific integrated circuits, ASICs. So basically ASIC means application specific integrated circuit. So S for specific. Specific means it will operate only one application or else one domain, whichever it may be. So I'll consider first this one as my mobile. So mobile, for what purpose? What is the main purpose of your mobile? You can send messages or else SMS. SMS may be through WhatsApp. Even it may be a WhatsApp, it is a message, or it may be Facebook, or it may be Twitter, or it may be Instagram, or it may be normal text also. Whichever it may be the form, we used to call it as message. And the second one is call. Either it may be normal voice call or video call or voice through internet call. Whichever it may be the option, this call is for communicating the data from one person to another person. Now I have one ASIC, application specific integrated circuit. So this is specially designed to perform one application. So I have considered one example as mobile phone. It is used, means these ASICs are used GPR, general purpose registers are there. So which will be mostly available with your microprocessors. You already know about of this one. When you are studying your microprocessors and microcontrollers, you might be familiar with GPRs, general purpose registers. We used to call it as AX, BX and CX and DX, those 4 registers. These GPR registers are replaced with WR, working registers. Working register means, for example, I have one program having statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, so on to statement n. So when my program is executing statement 1, I'll get some output. So let it may be statement 1 output O1. So let it may be O1. This O1 will stored in working register 1. So next, second statement will execute and the output is O2. This will be stored in working register 2. So like you have n number of statements, you will get a output n number of outputs. So everything will be stored in n number of working registers. So there is no need of general purpose registers over here itself. Everything whichever you have, either input or output, you can store in working registers. Means if it is a GPR, means I have AX. So it is a combination of header and lower, higher and lower. So everyone knows AL is accumulator, which will use it to perform all arithmetic and logical operations. So AH is a storage registers, means AL cannot store anything. Only the storage part comes from AH only. AL only can perform the ALU operations. So what about the remaining ones? BH, BL, CH, CL, DH and DL. And you already have AH and AL. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 registers. Among 8 registers, only one AL only can perform the ALU operations. Rest of 7 only for storage purpose only. Means, for example, I am operating one application in DL register. There I need to perform some AL operations. I can't able to execute over DL. So the same data has to transfer to AL, and in AL itself only it can calculate all the operations whichever that we need to perform in the program, and then the corresponding output is sent using some registers or through bus to DL registers. It will take some time, means from DL to AL it will take, let it maybe 2 seconds. At the same time AL to DL it will take one more 2 seconds. So I have 2 plus 2, 4 seconds of time is waste for me. But nowadays time and speed are most crucial things. And the last one is very less space and power consumption. So ASIC I have considered as example as mobile, like general purpose processors GPP I used to consider as laptop examples. Whichever the operations that can be performed by using laptop, the same thing can be possible by using mobile. Yes or no? But the laptop weight is minimum of 3 kgs and this weight is minimum of 850 grams. Minimum mobile weight is. So what is the weight difference? That is the reason very less space it will occupy, still it can perform all the operations, whichever operations can be performed by using laptop. And the power consumption is nothing but how much power that we are going to using. So for example, I have laptop charged up to 100%. If you are watching movies in your laptop, it will backup is 4 hours. Or if you are playing games, it will come for 1 hour. Or if you are playing any songs only, it will come for 3 hours if it is a new laptop. Or else you are doing only documentation works only, then it will come for 4 hours backup. But the same thing, if I will charge mobile for 100%, it will come minimum of 15 hours. Or same as like here only. If you are watching for movies, it will come for 3 hours. If you are using only documentation purpose, it will come for 19 to 24 hours. Or only for songs means it will come for 30 hours also, some of the mobiles. Even laptop battery having 4400 mAh and mobile battery also having 4400 mAh. Both the battery capacities are even though equal also, the performance difference between the laptop and mobile is too high. So here ASICs having one specific weightage for NRE cost. NRE means non-recurring engineering charge, NRE. Means I am considering ASIC example as we already considered as mobile. So first we have lot of vendors. Vendors means who are manufacturing the, so no, not vendors, clients. Clients means Redmi, LG, Samsung and Micromax, Lenovo. So these are all the companies, these are all clients who need market. But there are some persons are available, we used to call it as vendors. So vendors means who will manufacture the mobile. Either it may be Intel, or it may be Intex, or it may be National Semiconductors, or it may be so Intel or Intex, this one, and some other companies are available. So these people will manufacture the mobile, but From the manufacturing cost, for example, I have given to LG, I have given around 10 crores to manufacture one mobile, only one piece of mobile. So they have given 8 GB mobile, 8 GB RAM with 128 GB hard disk, having a processor speed of 2.4 gigahertz with Lollipop. OS means nothing but Android processors. So this is my specification, that I have given 10 crores of money to the vendors, Intel or Intex, any one of the people, and my constraint is I need RAM as 8 GB and ROM as a 120, and the frequency speed is 2.4 gigahertz, and it should contain the OS as Lollipop, and the processor should be Android. So then these people will manufacture one mobile and they will test that one, and then they will release to client. Client means who are paying money to that particular company, means it will be me, let it be. So once mobile is manufactured, I don't know whether this mobile will beat the market or will not beat the market, I don't know. I have fixed this mobile cost as 30,000. But when manufacture will take some time, now it is 6 to 8 months or 1 year. So in between this 1 year, some person like Redmi or Samsung, the same features consisting one more mobile, they have been released, and that mobile cost is 23,000 only. Then the customers will purchase this 23,000 mobile only, will not purchase my 30,000 mobile, because the same features has to be fulfilled by using some other network, some other mobile. So they will not purchase my mobile. Then manufacturing cost, which that I have given 10 crores, is my wastage. Of course, there may not have a wastage of 10 crores, but among this, minimum 40% is like 4 crores of money is my waste. We can't able to get it back from the company itself also. This 4C is NRE cost. So here you have 2 examples.